So, do you remember that everyone was into this fidget trade? Heck, even I was in it on my first TikTok. Like, it was playing with fidgets. And then the App Store was like, we should make games off of this. Did they? They did. I'm gonna play these terrible games. Magic Lab. I'm gonna turn it all the way down. Okay, she's literally playing a fidget game. Spin. I just joined. 450. It just gave me free stuff when I joined. No thanks. They were like, oh,
we need to talk.
Oh my god, what
Where
is
were you
this?
yesterday?
This ad is teaching kids like, oh kids, when you grow up, you should be doing this. You should be texting and driving at the same time. Why? Like, bruh. Why do they think this is a good idea? They're running out of ideas. I want to do it like 1.5. What is this? What is this? This is literally a hand and it's cut off. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god, there's so much ads. The ads go so slow. Like 30 seconds for one ad. That's so weird. They're like, okay. We need to get money, so how is the quickest way to get money? Make so much ads. Okay, this is way too easy. And literally the ads would be like, oh my god, only 1% can pop too. Get reward. No thanks. I don't like, oh, you don't want to watch an ad? Well, too bad, you're gonna watch an ad. Oh my god, I literally hate this feeling when you're on a mobile game. They're like, oh, you don't want an ad? Well, too bad, you're gonna get an ad anyways. Skimmed. Okay, there's a way that they saw it. They literally saw it easily. Skip. The quality is so bad. Okay, I don't think I should be judging a game by its quality. They added money. Nintendo Switch. Wait, is that even a fidget? Ad, you big noob. They're adding an iPhone.
An iPhone? I bet there's nothing in there.
Yeah, that's easy. I could easily tell because I literally just got an ad of it. It isn't working, so I'm gonna be started again. Okay, I'm gonna play Century Fidgets. Surprising games. Yeah, I don't think this is surprising. This is 100% not. Fidget Dittocation. What? What's a fidget dittocation? What?
Like, they made a grub-up game.
Wait, they made a game out of grub.
But it's the
And they're getting
tablet
scammed.
and the tablet died.
Oh my god. How are they falling for this so easily? They're like, scammed, you got scammed, poopy head. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's puppy fidgets. Oh my god, it's so hard to control it. It doesn't even work. It's fidget spinner. Okay, this is not releasing stress. This is giving me stress. Hexa buttons. I don't think that's what it's called. Let me go to that. I already deleted bingo. Whatever it's called. Bago. Hexagon square. Oh my god. This is not releasing stress. Wait a minute. Sassy Among Us weapons. Sassy Among Us weapons. Among Us. Sassy Among Us reference. Oh my god, Sassy Among Us reference. If you like flip it. Sassy Among Us. Okay, this sucks. This sucks so much. What is this? Popping tube. Popping tube. Fidget balloon. I don't think a fidget balloon is even a thing. Noodle head. Oh my god, that's so disturbing. Gravity stones. Mesh marble. Yeah, they got mesh. Feel like a real trader. Nobody does this anymore. Nobody fidget trades anymore. Okay, it's just woo. People are like, oh my god, this is relieving stress. Why do people like these games? These games are complete trash. Are there any other trash fidget games? Are there any other trash fidget games? Such a fidget toys. Fidget Toys 3D. Okay, I'm gonna play Trading Master 3D and then the video will end here. Wait. Yeah. I'm gonna play this trash game. Okay, this is not gonna be worth it. 2021. Yeah, the fidget trend ended in like March. No, wait, it ended like a month ago. 2 months. Okay, this one is better. This one is like 1 times better. It just has still bad quality. I shouldn't judge a game by its quality though. So I'm gonna stop at that. Pantheon. I heard they made their logo onto a puppet. Like, is that really the only thing they could think of? And they add a puppet. I'm gonna give you. Well, I had to request more. Accept offer. These rules suck. And they're like, oh, you can multiply if you want to know. Add new items. Oh, wait, I want to rate it 1 star. Hamburger. Near the baby bottle. Ed. Good trade. 2 for 2. Can I give them an iPhone? I want to scam them. I'm gonna add you this. And I'm gonna add you. No, wait. I'm gonna give watermelon. 2 watermelons. Okay, add more. Add more. The trade is still bad. Just 1 more. Okay, that's good. Tap to pop. Woo, pop it. Pop it. It's relieving my stress. It's relieving stress. It's relieving stress. It's relieving my stress. It's not even doing that. People are like, okay, this relieves stress. Like, I saw Lanky Box do it. Okay, so they have a donut, a thing. It says this trade is good. Fidget toys. Oh my god, I'm getting so many of these fidget toys ads. I'm never gonna like any of these terrible games. Okie dokie, yeah, I'll add. Whoever enjoys these games, they're... Okay, I'm gonna have to have step. The trade is already good. Yeah, I know they're gonna scare me. They're like, okay, too much. Watermelon. Okay, that seems like a good trade. It's a Rubik's Cube. What even is this? They give me popsicle. Okay, a popsicle for a popsicle. I'm gonna add donut. No, you add.
Nobody else.
Roman, can you stop it? I'm trying to make a trash video. Okay, this is a trash game. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, this video will end when I get a trade with a phone. I want to scam them. I'll give you puppet. I'll also give you a magnet thing. No, you add. What even is a magnet thing? Scammed. Oh my god, I'm getting so many of these ads. X. X. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna end this terrible video right here. Don't buy these fidget toys games. They suck.